Clyde green. I own this 2003 Kenworth W900L. I bought this truck 6 years ago in hopes of driving it through the wintertime so I could park my W900A 1982 model through the winter. And that's kind of still my plan, but we've spent a lot of time and effort into sprucing this truck up to kind of make it look like the other truck. We've done a complete paint job on it, modified the sleeper a little bit to turn it into as far as I know, it's the only 86-inch flat top aero cab Kenworth around. There may be another one, but I don't know. I'm not aware of it. And it's got a Cat C15 and a 13-speed and 355 rear ends. Does a very good job.
And it's good looking too. I'll include a picture of your other truck so everyone on here can see it.
Oh, that'd be cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you.